In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set the signing order in DocuSign. To get started, log into DocuSign and click Start. This is the quickest way to begin creating a new workflow for a document that needs signatures. After that, choose Envelope. An envelope in DocuSign is the package that contains your document, recipients, and signing settings. So this is where the full process begins. Next, select Get Signatures. This option is used when your main goal is to send out a document for signing, and it takes you into the setup process for adding files and recipients. Once you're there, upload the document that needs to be signed. Make sure you're choosing the correct version of the file before moving forward, since this is the document your recipients will receive. Now it's time to add your recipients. First, enter the name and email address for the first recipient. Then select Add Recipient and enter the second recipient's name and email address. If your document needs more than 2 signers, you can continue adding them later in the same section. Once your recipients are added, enable Set Signing Order in the recipient section. This is the key setting that tells DocuSign to send the document one person at a time, instead of sending it to everyone at once. After turning that on, assign 1 to the first recipient and 2 to the second recipient. If you have additional recipients, give each one the appropriate number based on the order in which they should receive and sign the document. When the signing order is set, click next to open the document preparation screen. This is where you'll place and assign the fields your recipients need to complete, such as signature fields, dates, or other required information. As you add those fields, make sure each one is assigned to the correct recipient. That part is important, because even if the signing order is correct, the document still needs the right fields connected to the right person. Before sending the envelope, take a moment to review the signing order carefully. Confirm that the recipients are listed in the correct sequence and that everything looks right. A quick review here can help prevent delays or confusion later. Once you're satisfied, click Send. The first recipient will receive the document first, and after they complete their required actions, DocuSign will automatically send it to the next recipient in line. This helps keep the signing process organized and make sure everyone receives the document at the right time. Thanks for watching.